Hi guys, if you're here. Alright, so in today's video we're going to be talking about longing and shorting. What is longing, what is shorting, and also I'm going to do a short review on a platform that you might be interested in using to long and short. Now this is not a paid review, it's a platform I got interested in and you would find out why. Alright, so if this is also the first time on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if this content was really nice and you liked it, please like my video as well. Alright, so we'll just start out with a little price action for Bitcoin, and we can see that Bitcoin is currently at 4,001. So in my previous video I had said that Bitcoin was struggling, pretty much trying to consolidate around 3,009, and I needed for Bitcoin to go up to about 4,001 and stay above 4,000 for us to actually make another move upwards. So would it be safe to say we're in a bull run? Maybe, but that's not what we're talking about today. We're actually talking about longing and shorting. So what is longing, right? So if we look at this Bitcoin chart right now, we're looking at the weekly chart, and so if you're placing a long position, it basically just means that you have placed a buy order expecting that the price will move to a higher price. So for instance, using this chart, somebody may have placed a buy order here expecting that the price would move from at this point to up here. So they will place a buy hoping that the price will climb up. At the same time, a short position means that you place a sell order, right, at a higher price expecting the price to go down, right? So there are people that have made money from longing, that's buying to expect that the price will go higher so you could move this way up, and there are also people that make money from shorting expecting the price to go lower. And if we look at the percentages, so I'm just going to use the forecast tool, right? And then imagine if this position was shorted from, this is 16,400. So if I had put in a short position from about 16,500 when Bitcoin was 16,500 all the way down here, right? Let's say around here, right? I would have made 57%. That's at the point where the price went to 6,009. Talk more of when the price went all the way down to the lower 3,000. So basically all I'm just trying to tell you is that you literally can, if you learn the skill to long and to short, that's making money when the price is going up and when the price is going down, you literally can trade every single time and make profit from the price going up and going down. So that's what I've tried to exemplify here. We can even see from this chart the price went up, and there was a point the price went down here, and the price went up again, and the price went down and came up and came down and went up, came down, went up a little, came massively down. So there are people that make profit from the market going up and down, up and down, up and down. And I want to introduce you to a platform that I will in the future be using to make long and short positions. Alright, so the platform I want to talk about is called Prime XBT. Now, it's a platform that just came on board, but I'm pretty excited about it, and I'm going to tell you why in this very, very short review. So for right now, they are actually trading about $200 million in 24 hours. That's very impressive. And they offer up to 100 times leverage. I explained to you what leverage is. And like I said previously in my explanation, you can go short and long with this Prime XBT. And also you can create, or you can make 5 order types. And of course, you're expected to be able to deposit Bitcoin, and then they have secure wallets, and the trading fee is pretty low. So let's just take a look at this platform. So already they're trading, and you can see what this looks like. It pretty much shows you the 24-hour change whenever you come and put your mouse over it. So what are they promising you? So the very first thing, a very simple account setup. So we'll set up my account in this video. I will click on register and we'll set it up, and then you can make deposits and withdrawals. Of course, you're expected to be able to do that, and they offer 100% leverage trading. So first of all, let me go into what 100 times leverage means. So for instance, if you got into this platform with $10 worth of Bitcoin and you want to trading with 100x leverage means that you can get into a trade that is worth $1,000, but the only amount you're risking is $10. Let me say that again. If you go into this platform with $10, right, you can get into a trade that is valued at $1,000 because of this level of leverage, and the only thing you're risking is your $10. So that's what they mean by this 10x leverage. They also have a security system that ensures that all the money that you put on the system is not stored on a hot wallet. And what that basically just means is that you don't have your money on the internet. Your money is stored on a cold storage. And by cold storage, you just mean a device or another storage that is not connected to the internet. And so an example of that could be like the Ledger Nano. So that's what they mean by a cold storage, right? And they went ahead to explain to you what leverage is, what your possibility of gain would be if you use 100% leverage. So you have the possibility of gaining 64% using 100% leverage. But I must also state that using leverage is also risky. But we'll explain that much later, not right now. Right now, we're just doing a very short review. And so they try to explain what longing and shorting also is. So this is placing a long position, so you're expecting the price to go higher, so you placed a buy order expecting to sell when the price has gone up, and you make your profit from this movement to here. Same thing happened here, but in a short position, so you placed an order around here expecting the price to go lower, and then you buy to close your position, and you have made your profit. So they also trade the very popular cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, and in the future they plan to create so much more. So the thing that makes me love this platform is the equivalent of a platform called BitMEX, but one of the major pluses it has is that you are able to trade with very low fees. So they had stated it up here. Your trading fee is 0.05%, and that's extremely low for trading on this kind of platform. So that's one of the reasons why I'm taking out my money from BitMEX and putting it into this platform, because the trading fees are very low. Also, it has a very friendly user interface. It's functional and friendly, and also they have a very powerful chatting engine. And so I guess what that means is that you probably won't have lags in your trades. So one of the major reasons I'm trading, or I'm doing a major review on this platform, is because the trading fees are very low. So whether you are placing a market order or you are placing a limit order, the trading fees are extremely low, and then the user interface, it's extremely good. And to open an account doesn't take you much. You just click on open account, and you would come onto a very simple form that would not ask for much, just your email, your password, you accept, and you're registered. So for right now, you don't have to do any KYC on Prime XBT, but I think it's also important for me to say that for right now, just like BitMEX, this platform doesn't allow for residents in the USA and Canada and some European countries. So I felt it was important for me to mention that in this review. So I'm going to be talking a whole lot more about Prime XBT. So if you want to take a look, please go to the website. I also have the link on the description below. So if you want to use my referral link, please go ahead, and you can actually look at its features, the about us, the fees. I spoke about the fees, very low, and its security in the cold wallet, and also the interface. All right, so I hope it's of interest to you, and we'll be talking about it much more as the day passes. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.